In this video, you'll learn about several strategies for retrieving relevant information in a research database. We'll also cover how to use Boolean operators to refine your search. How to use Boolean operators. Another strategy for refining your search results is to use Boolean operators. Sometimes called connectors, Boolean operators use the words and, or, and not to either broaden or narrow a search. And connects two or more concepts and tells the database to only retrieve results that include all of your search terms. For example, a search for climate change and legislation will only bring back items that contain both search terms, and narrows down your results. When using or, broadens your search results by bringing back items using either of your search terms. Or works best when used with like terms. For example, search for climate change or global warming will bring back items that use either or both terms. Not narrows your search by excluding certain items. For instance, a search for dogs, not huskies, will exclude all husky-related items from your search. Now, let's try a quick search using the not operator. In the top search box, I'll type in Spitz breed, and then I'll click on the green search button. You can see that we found 71 results, and if we scroll through, you'll notice that our results include several different types of Spitz breed dogs. If I want to narrow my search down, I can do that using the not operator. In the drop-down menu, I'll choose not, and then I'll type in the word that I want to exclude from my search results. In this case, I'll type in the word Indian, and this will tell the database to bring me back all the results on Spitz breeds, with the exception of the Indian Spitz. Now if you scroll through the results, you can see that we have several of the same articles as we did in our previous search, but no articles on Indian Spitz breed dogs. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helped. To view other library how-to videos, please go to the Murphy Library YouTube channel to see all that we have available. Is there a video you'd like to see us make? Leave your suggestions in the comments below, or email at us at libinstruct@uwlax.edu.